Good morning. It's another wonderful day in another wonderful national park. Today we're in Capitol Reef National Park. Kids stayed up extra late last night, so they should be sleeping in, so we're gonna go for a little run. Looking at the map, there's a nice little about 8-mile run hike that we can do, so we're gonna go out, see what it looks like. Hopefully the kiddos will sleep in and we have a good time out here in an absolutely beautiful place. So let's go for a run. The first part of the run's the Cohab climb from the campsite where we were at, where we spent the night. Just kind of waiting for that sunshine to appear over the mountain because it's absolutely beautiful. And these rocks, once the sun hits them, they really just glow. Hopefully we can get a little bit of a sunrise out of it. I picked the wrong day to break my sunglasses. Anyway, we're 2 miles into our run and we're kind of up in the back above everything. It's super quiet back here, except for me, I guess. I should stop talking. Just absolutely stunning. We watched a ranger program talking about wilderness and how important it is to have, places that are untouched and natural. This place is just, awe-inspiring. It's beautiful, it's quiet. So just ran across the plateau and oh man, so much fun. Just flying over the rocks, weaving in and out of the trees in the most amazing environment. Little rock hangs everywhere. Every once in a while you have those moments where running just feels effortless. Like your body doesn't hurt and you're just flying across the terrain, and it's a magical moment. Those are the moments you have to kind of hold on to, because it seems like before you know it, you'll be back in the pain cave again. It's been rumored that Butch Cassidy and his gang might have hid out here. There's even an arch called Cassidy Arch. Maybe he buried some treasure out here. That's the arch. Ooh, heebie-jeebies. Not the place to fall. It's Cassidy Arch. We are now descending off the bluff into the river bottom, or I guess the Narrows, which will be super cool. about out of the canyon. I got so sad. All of a sudden I could hear the sound of a big old truck driving down the highway. I was like, oh, can't this last forever? I went into the canyon, it's so quiet. All you can hear is your footsteps. And even then, I felt like sometimes I had to stop and slow down and just listen. Listen to the quietness. And it's so quiet, especially in the deep part of the canyon there. In contrast to now, I hear trucks. I see power lines over my head. It really is a special place. It's official, there's the road. This canyon run is over. Thanks for coming with me. And you know the best part? I saved something for you. Run the other way. Completely different experience. Absolutely stunning. And it'll be all new just for you. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bonus content. For the first time ever, I have beat my wife to the finish line. Only about like 5 minutes, unless the kids are sleeping. We stayed up late last night for a ranger program, so the kids got to bed at like 10. So the truth is, they might not be up. I might be hiking this road all the way back, which, let's face it, it's not a bad road to hike back on. There they are. Found them. They found me, I guess.